Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how we can show the percentage of parent total using a pivot table. So let's create a pivot table first. I click on insert, go to pivot. I'll take a pivot on a new sheet. Now it is here. We create a sample pivot. We'll take the total into the value, order date into the row, and for better readability I'll take the year into the column and expand all the quarters in a one go. Click here. I want to show the total in the bottom, so go to design and show the subtotal into the bottom. So this is coming. My requirement is that I want to know in quarter 1 what is the contribution of January, February and March, as in we compare quarter 1 total as in 100%. So what is the contribution of the first 3 months? Then accordingly all the others. So I just right click on that, go to show value as, and I'll choose percentage of parent total. It will show me the base field available with us, that's a quarter in that case. So we are choosing quarter. We can pick month, we can pick year depending upon the scenarios. So I am choosing a quarter and I click on OK. So quarter total will be treated as in 100%. So I click on OK. Now you can see easily we have the 41.45 in January, which is the total contribution of quarter 1, 33.28 in the month of March, and 25.27 it in the month of February. Similarly, for all the quarters we'll get an analysis. This is what for the video. Thank you for this video. Keep watching, keep learning.